Using json.dumps with ensure_ASCII equals true. When using json.dumps, the default for ensure_ASCII is true, but I see myself continuously setting it to false as. If I work with Unicode, I need to pass it or I'll get str back. If I work with str, I need to pass it so my chars don't get converted to Unicode, encoded within a str. In which scenarios would you want it to be true? What is the use case for that option? From the docs. If ensure_ASCII is true, the default, all non-ASCII characters in the output are escaped with \UX sequences, and the results are str instances consisting of ASCII characters only. What is the benefit of it?
Writing up thanks to that user 2357112. First thing is to understand there is no binary representation in JSON. Therefore, all strings should be valid Unicode points. If you are trying to json.dumps raw bytes, you might be doing something wrong. Then check JSON docs. Some information about why ensure_ASCII works as it works, issue 13769. Ensure_ASCII does two things. Ensuring your output is valid ASCII characters, even if they have Unicode inside, and allow the function to return an Unicode object. Which makes me assume that when you are encoding text into JSON and all your strings are in Unicode, it is fine to use ensure_ASCII equals false, but it might actually make more sense to leave it to true and decode the str. As per specification, dumps doesn't guarantee Unicode back, though it does return it if you pass Unicode. If you are working with str objects, calling ensure_ASCII equals false will prevent JSON from transforming your chars to Unicode. You might think you want that, but if you then try to read those in the browser, for example, weird things might happen. About how ensure_ASCII impacts the result, this is a table that might help. Note the last value is UTF-8 encoded Unicode into bytes, which might be not parsable by other JSON decoders. Moreover, if you mix types array of Unicode in str, and use ensure_ASCII equals false, you can get an Unicode decode error when encoding into JSON, mind blending, as the module will to return you a Unicode object, but it won't be able to convert the str into Unicode using the default encoding, ASCII.
If you want to see more, please go to